Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo.
The Igbo race, considered the most intelligent people in Africa, are predominantly found in the southeast of Nigeria as their place of origin, but they have migrated to many countries of the world. That is why a popular saying goes thus, I quote, "Wherever you go and find no Igbo person, leave that place. There is no benefit there," end quote. The people are blessed with huge cultural heritages and the great virtues that stand them out among others. These virtues, which include hard work and the spirit of brotherhood, called Onyagalangwanneya in Igbo language, needs to be documented and showcased to the world so that the world can benefit from them. That is why an Igbo women organization called Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo was born. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo worldwide seeks to mobilize Igbo women all over the world to reactivate their virtues towards moral upbringing of their children and being efficient helpmates to their husbands and contribute meaningfully towards the development of the society. Eziada Ifeoma Nwadike is the founder, vision bearer and president of this great organization that has branches across the world. This great and beautiful Amazon has a beautiful heart that is disposed towards bettering the lot of people. She is an angel in human form. That is why she came up with this project.
Eziada Ifeoma Nwadike. I'm the founder and president of Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo worldwide.
And the hand of God has been upon the organization as it has spread across the country. More so, God has raised quality women of substance as states and local government coordinators. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo has been engaging in bettering the lives of women and children ever since it was founded. They visit the hospitals to identify with the sick, as well as motherless babies' homes and the downtrodden, distributing relief materials to them. The widows are not left out as they have been enjoying the empowerment schemes of this great organization. On one occasion, so many of them went home smiling with 100,000 naira each to start up trade that will enable them earn quality living for their households. A lot of projects and programs are lined up to be executed by Eziada Ifeoma Nwadike and her platform Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo worldwide. They include motherless babies' homes across Igbo, where motherless babies will be raised and given hope for a brighter future. Children Community Integration Center is another project. It is where Igbo children will get to know the values and cultural heritages of their ancestors, the Igbo people, and imbibe the Igbo ideology. Another great project is Igbo Historical Village, to be built in Igbo for the preservation of Igbo artifacts and relics to activate and sustain cultural transfers from generation to generation. As the month of August is here, in the month, Igbo women converge at various communities to iron out ideas for moving their communities forward. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo worldwide is not left out. Come the 30th of August 2025, they are gathering the women of Igbo to Abia State for this year's meeting, during which indigent women, especially widows, shall enjoy another episode of empowerment. Disabled people have also been earmarked for humanitarian gestures of this organization. The theme of this year's August meeting is One Ike Obodo. Under the distinguished chairmanship of Dr. Christopher Okoro, Rector Ogbako Polytechnic, Aba. Date, Saturday, 30th August 2025. Time, 12 noon prompt. Red carpet picture taking begins. Venue, Eldorado Hotel and Event Center, Aba Owerri Road, Aba, Abia State. Special guest of honor, Right Honorable Benjamin Okezie Carlo, CFR, Deputy Speaker, Federal House of Representatives, National Assembly Complex, 3 Arm Zone, Abuja. His Excellency Chief Achike Udenwa, former Governor Imo State, first Grand Patron Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, Senator Enyene Abaribe, Madoforo Ndengwa, Senator representing Abia South Senatorial District, Honorable Alex Ifani Ikweche, Member Federal House of Representatives, Aba North / South. Chief Host, His Excellency Dr. Alex Oti, Executive Governor of Abia State. Special Co-Hosts, Honorable Timothy Kalo Iheke, Executive Chairman, Aba North Local Government Area, Abia State. Honorable Obilo Anyanwu, Mayor, Aba South Local Government Area. Honorable Chidi Ago, Mayor, Osisioma LGA. Mother of the Day, Her Excellency Mrs. Priscilla Oti, First Lady, Abia State. Royal Fathers of the Day, His Royal Highness Eze Udodrim Sunday, Alilelimba I of Eziama Amahia, immediate past Chairman, Aba North Council of Traditional Rulers. His Royal Majesty Eze Joseph Mabeke, former Chairman, Abia State Council of Traditional Rulers. His Royal Highness Eze Njoko Chema, Chairman, Aba North Council of Traditional Rulers. His Royal Highness Eze Onyebuchi Uguzo, Chairman, Aba South Council of Traditional Rulers. His Royal Majesty Eze Bishop Sone King Otuka JP, Ocha 2 of Ahiaba Alaoha, Umuozuo Autonomous Community, Osisiomangwa, LGA, Abia State. Religious Leaders of the Day, Bishop Dr. Goddy Okafo, Southeast Representative, Christian Association of Nigeria. Bishop Uguzo Christian, PhD, Bishop Anglican Diocese, Aba. Bishop Professor Austin M. Echeme, Catholic Bishop of Aba Diocese. Venerable Dr. Emeka Mwigwe, Grand Patron Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide. Pastor Lewe Onyekwere Chijiudo, Senior Pastor, Faith and Victory Life in Christ Church, aka The Favorites, Aba. Reverend Sister Cynthia Nwadike, Spiritual Director Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide. Grand Patrons and Matrons, His Excellency Chief Achike Udenwa Onwa, former Governor of Imo State. Chief Dr. Chekwas Okore, Ojozi Ndigbo, Senator Patrick Ndubeze, Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria representing Imo North Senatorial District. Ambassador Okereke Nnamdi Nwafọ, Nwa Udo Aro. Honorable Prince Ahmefule Ikonne, CEO Prince Aham Ikonne Motors and Enterprises. His Excellency Chief Valentine Ozigbo, Princess Lucky Obi Ibakama, CSP, 2IC Area Commander Aba, Mrs. Uchechukwu Maria Giovanni, Mrs. More Mbodum, First Female Grand Patron, Lolo Cecilia Obilom Metro, Lolo Ifeoma Opara Metro. Her Excellency Barrister Nnanna Ngwamma Lancaster Okoro Esquire, Metron Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide. There are Igbo sons and daughters who have given a good account of themselves in terms of humanitarian services as they have impacted so many lives. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide designated them for honors on that day. They shall be given titles to appreciate their kind gestures towards the downtrodden. They include Mmagha Ali Igbo Gburugburu, Senator Enyene Abaribe, Senator representing Abia South Senatorial District. Okemba Ali Igbo Gburugburu categories are Right Honorable Benjamin Okezie Carlo, CFR, Deputy Speaker, Federal House of Representatives, National Assembly Abuja. Honorable Alex Ifani Ikweche, Member, Federal House of Representatives, Aba North / South. Honorable Okoro Uchenna Kalo, Majority Leader, Abia State House of Assembly, representing Arochukwu State Constituency. Prince Eric Aso Kalo, a renowned businessman and philanthropist. Dr. Uchechukwu Samson Oga, Nigerian politician, entrepreneur, and a philanthropist. Founder, Masters Energy Company. Ide Udabala John, astute and accomplished businessman and entrepreneur. Architects UKJ Uche Emmanuel, Director, Greater Aba Development Authority, GADA. Mr. Chukwudi Benson Abraham, CEO, Royal Abraham Global Nigeria. Eziadi Igbo Gburugburu categories includes Honorable Dr. Maureen Ahokwa, Commissioner for Women Affairs and Social Development, Abia State. Honorable Magdalene Egonde Uguanosi, Senior Special Assistant to the Abia State Government and Chieftaincy Affairs. Her Excellency Barrister Nnamdi Lancaster Okoro, Patron Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide. Mrs. Maureen Mbodum, CEO, Clinic Diagnostic Center, Abuja, first female Grand Patron Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide. Professor Ijoma Ndoka, Chief Medical Director, Abia State University Teaching Hospital. High Chief Mrs. Onyeka Johnson Carlo Ugaro of Arochukwu, President General, Inyomo Toto Worldwide. The high points of the occasion, the fundraising for building a motherless baby center in Abia State to house vulnerable children, and the inauguration of the Abia State branch. Recognition and traditional honor to well-deserved Igbo sons and daughters. Introduction and display of cultural dance contest by the Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Cultural Dance Troupe. Dancing is as old as the Igbo race. Signed, Eziada Monique Okorie, Abia State Coordinator and Chairperson, Organizing Committee 2025 Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide August Meeting.
Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo. Eziada. Eskozuribo. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation.